Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my valuable listeners. I'm back with another video to help you improve your English grammar. My video lectures will be very helpful for you if you want to improve your concepts related to the basics of English language. So, never miss any of them. Before we start our today's lecture, I would like to ask you people to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon in order to receive the regular updates about my videos. Okay, let's get started. Here is the topic of our today's discussion. We shall be talking about present continuous tense. I want to add this into your knowledge that the present continuous tense is also known as present progressive tense. Before we go on and before I tell you about the sentence formation, I want you to first have a look at this picture and notice that there are different people doing different tasks and all of them are in action. You're supposed to describe this picture using the present continuous tense. Here I have written my sentences using present continuous tense in order to describe the picture. They are: number one, a boy is painting on a canvas. Number two, a girl and a boy are playing with football. Number three, birds are flying. Number four, a rabbit is sitting under a bench. Number five, a boy is jogging in the park. You will have noticed that I have used and bolted some of the words. And why I have bolted some of the words, I tell you. The reason is that I am using the present continuous tense in order to describe that picture. And in order to describe any picture, you should use present continuous tense. Let's talk about the situations in which you should use present continuous tense. Firstly, if you want to indicate an action which is still going on, you will use present continuous tense. For example, I am eating an apple. It is an action which is being taken place at the time of speaking. So, you should use the present continuous tense in order to talk about the action which is still going on. Secondly, you should use present continuous tense to express an action which is taking place but is not going on at the time of speaking. For example, I am taking French classes these days. So it is the action which is not going on at the time of speaking, but it is taking place these days. Thirdly, you use present continuous tense in order to show an action which is expected to take place. For example, the inspector is visiting our school tomorrow. Here, you're talking about an action which is supposed to take place. That is why you will use present continuous tense. Let's move on and talk about the affirmative sentence formation of present continuous tense. First, you put subject in the start of the sentence. Subject, as you already know, is the doer of the action, or it is the person who is performing an action. Then comes is, am, or are. These three are the auxiliary verbs. They're also known as the helping verbs. And in which sentence should you use is, am, or are? I will tell you later. Then you add the fourth form of the verb. Actually, the fourth form of the verb is when you add the ing at the end of the first form of the verb, it becomes the fourth form of the verb. Another name or fourth form of the verb is present continuous. Then comes the object or extension, and at the end you have full stop. You're supposed to remember the following points. And the point number one is that if your subject is singular, then you should add is as auxiliary verb in your sentence. With plural subjects, you use are as an auxiliary verb. And in case your subject is I, you use am with that in your present continuous tense. Following are some examples of present continuous tense. The girls are singing songs. Sarah is taking tea. They are having lunch. I have again bolted certain words, the auxiliary verbs as well as the form of the verbs, so that you may notice that in present continuous tense which auxiliary or helping verb and which form of verb should be used. Never forget these points. Now, once again, I want you to have a look at this picture and write as many sentences as you want using present continuous tense. Thank you so much for watching. See you with another video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.